How to use green screen memes in your Reels. Want to make trending, high-engagement videos fast? Here's how to use my green screen memes from Etsy. Step 1. Download your meme. First, go to Etsy and download the green screen meme you want to use. Step 2. Open Edits by Instagram. Open the Edits app from Instagram. Step 3. Import a background image from your gallery. This will be the scene behind your meme. Step 4. Add the meme as an overlay. Now tap Overlay and add your green screen meme video. Step 5. Remove the green background. Select the overlay clip, tap Cutout, and remove the green background. The meme will now sit cleanly on top of your background. Step 6. Add your text caption. To complete the meme, Step 7. Export. Once you're happy, download your video. Now you're ready to post. Get the full green screen meme pack on Etsy to make your content stand out.